So today we're with Natalie, and she's 43 years old, and from the time about when she was nearing her 40s, she started noticing a lot of the depression in the temple area, and because she's losing a lot of the volume here, and her face is smaller, it's given her more of an aged appearance. So today we're going to fill in this area using classic Restylane, and it's really going to help tie into this beautiful cheekbone, and continue that look up into the temple area. Okay, we're going to begin this side, and she has been prepped and numbed, finding where the indent is. A lot of arteries and things that we need to avoid. Here we go, in this area. Here's the poke. So we do check for blood flow by pulling back the syringe, making sure that we're clear. And then Natalie, you might hear this kind of starting to go in. Slowly pushing the product to start popping out this indent in the temple region. Needles out. Now I'm going to pick a secondary location, and Natalie's already been told that most likely a full syringe on each side is going to be needed. Here we go. Good. Everything's going well. Okay, here we are at a half a syringe in this area. You can see this is the area that hasn't been done. Here we are at a half a syringe, already making a difference. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit beyond this half a syringe on this side and put a little bit more. Here we go. You're doing good, Natalie?
Yeah, I feel great.
Great, good job. Okay, so I've got about 3/4 of a syringe on this side, and then compared to this right side that hasn't been done. Looking good. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and start on the other side now. So here we are to start Natalie's the right side of her temples. The left has already been done, so you can see the before and after already, and what a huge difference it's made. Okay, here we go. Here's a poke. Again, you can hear a little gurgling. And because it's an empty kind of hole in there, this is a deeper injection. This is not surface. And it's literally like filling in a cavern, which then will pop the skin out. And you don't want to do too much, because really the ultimate goal is tying into the cheek and the cheekbone. And so you have this kind of flow, more natural, a natural look to it. Okay. And here's a poke. You're doing great. Okay, we're almost done on this side. And we're going to do just a little bit more higher up. Here we go. And finishing this syringe. All right, there we go.
Thank you.
Okay, and here we are with Natalie's final results. Natalie, do a little modeling for us. The temple region has been filled in, tied into that beautiful cheek and cheekbones. All right, gorgeous. Thank you, Natalie.
Thank you.